Hey everyone! Welcome back to Healthy Life. Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite all-natural face mask recipes using just 3 simple ingredients: rice, honey, and lemon. This mask is perfect for brightening dull skin, reducing dark spots, and giving your face that healthy glow without any chemicals. Stick around because I'll walk you through how to make it, how to apply it, and I'll even show you my before and after results. Rice brightens skin, gently exfoliates, rich in antioxidants and minerals, soothes inflammation. Honey, natural humectant, locks in moisture, antibacterial, great for acne-prone skin, heals and softens skin. Lemon juice, natural source of vitamin C, fades dark spots, adds a refreshing glow, caution for sensitive skin. 2 tablespoons of cooked rice, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Small mixing bowl. Spoon or brush for application. Blender or masher, optional. Cook the rice. Mash or blend smooth paste is best. Add honey. Show texture mixing in. Add lemon juice. Mix until it forms a smooth, thick paste. Check consistency. Should be thick but spreadable. Tip: if your skin is sensitive, use just a few drops of lemon or skip it. You can also add a splash of milk instead for hydration. Cleanse your face thoroughly. Tie hair back. Apply mask evenly using fingers or brush. Avoid eye and lip area. Sit back and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Pat dry your skin. Show a glowing close-up reveal. Talk about how your skin feels. Thanks so much for watching. If you try this rice, honey, and lemon mask, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural skincare videos, and hit the bell so you never miss a glow up. See you in the next one. Bye.